Visual literacy is the process of understanding and using the mass media in an assertive and non-passive way. This includes an informed and critical understanding of the nature of media, the techniques used by them, and the impact of these techniques. This video will give you a few key concepts and terminology when speaking about visual literacy to help you understand the concepts, processes, and the way that we observe meaning through visual means. Audience: the group of consumers for whom the media text was constructed, as well as anyone else who is exposed to the text. Censorship: the practice of suppressing a text or part of a text that is considered objectionable according to certain standards. Connote, or sometimes connotation: a description of value, meaning, or ideology associated with a media text that is added to the text by the audience. Construct: the process by which media text is shaped and given meaning through a process that is subject to a variety of decisions and is designed to keep the audience interested in the text. Critical: a reflective position on the meaning, bias, or value messages of a text. Critical autonomy is the process by which a member of the audience is able to read a media text in a way other than the preferred reading. Also used to describe the ability of media literacy students to deconstruct text outside the classroom. Critical viewing is the ability to use critical thinking skills to view, question, analyze, and understand issues presented overtly and covertly in movies, videos, television, and other visual media. Cut is an edited transition between two images in which one image is immediately replaced by another. This is usually seen in filmmaking. Deconstruction is the process by which the audience identifies the elements that make up the construction of meaning within a text. Genre is the category of media text characterized by a particular style, form, or context. Ideology is how we as individuals understand the world in which we live. This understanding involves an interaction between our individual psychologies and the social structures that surround us. Mediating between these are the individual processes of communication, as well as the technological processes of mass media. These ideas are usually related to the distribution of power. Propaganda is any media text whose primary purpose is to openly persuade an audience of the validity of a particular point of view. Stereotypes are a form of media representation by which instantly recognized characteristics are used to label members of social or cultural groups. While often negative, stereotypes can contain an element of truth and are also used by the media to establish an instant rapport with the audience. Text does not always refer to just words, but the individual results of media production. A movie, a TV episode, a book, an issue of a magazine or newspaper, an advertisement or an album. Transparency is the quality of a media text by which it appears to be natural rather than constructed. Those are just a few of the media literacy terms as defined by the Center for Media Literacy. Please stay tuned for video 2, which will get into the terms for filmmaking.